It's a 1975 Super Beetle convertible. I've owned it since 1997, and I did a full restoration, panel restoration, new floor pans, cut out and removed all the heater channels rather, and got rid of all the rust, and made it a great driver. Put on fiberglass fenders just to secure and ensure that those fenders would never rust again. And yeah, had in California for 20 years, and then just moved back to Georgia now in 2020, where it's been in that garage, waiting to find its next life. The only issue with the outside, is when it was shipped back. Here's the rear window. You can see how this is nicely set in here. Maybe actually just a little too far. There's a bit of it's pushed in too far. This should come out a little bit. But that means that on this side, it popped out. So fortunately, someone has to get a suction cup on the inside and pull that down, and then it should reseat again. You're off and going. But the top is in beautiful condition. It's a fabric top, cloth top I should say, not cheap vinyl things. The paint job that was done in 2000 is starting to show. So you got some little road chips like this one here, and it's a place where the clear coat is just starting to go. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a spot right there. A few others here and there. But all in all, it is a old car, so not gonna be damage free. Let's see what else. Sure you can. Just put on new lenses, so those are all free of fog and damage. And did the same for the front here. New rubber gaskets, new glass, and I did new chromed headlights. The front gas tank has been replaced here. It's new gas tank, and I was going to put in these hydraulic shocks up in the corner here to make it so it stay up with the hydraulics. But that's next on the list, or maybe that's your first project. Till then, I got this stick here, but even got an oil filter ready to go for the next oil change, and a classic old jack. But yeah, she's pretty. Let's see. What else? Let's take a listen to the motor. Let's get it started for you. So I went ahead and cleaned out the motor, and yeah, converted it to carburetor. And for fun, added a bunch of chrome parts. So let me get inside and start it for you. Let it run. Let you hear it. Let's take a look under the car. Yeah, nice motor, no damage, pretty clean engine. Looks like a little bit of oil starting to collect here. These cars always sweat oil a little bit, so you get a pan, but muffler's good shape. And take you under the front of the car here to get you. There we go. Here's your interior. Kind of a two-tone gray and black thing going on. Let's get this window. So the seats are not original, they're custom. I think they're Subaru seats. Not certain on that one though. And yeah, really nice fabric. No rips or tears or anything like that. It's all clean. I didn't have very many passengers in there at all, so it's nice. Carpet is marine carpeting, so no mildew and nothing like that. There is a really fun roller pedal here that, if you're not familiar with it, it's fun to drive. And then yeah, dash is stock dash, as you would expect. Got some speakers in here, and also some speakers in the headrests. But yeah, back seats also nice. Let's roll the seat forward for you. There you go. Had some custom pockets put in the back seat for, you know, back in the day when we had map books, things like that. But yeah, everything's really pretty. Let's see. Here's the back of the trunk. Loaded as well, as you would expect. No damage or whatever. These things, I think these are original, which, you know, something could be on the list if you wanted to make it better. Could pick these up pretty cheap and replace them. That one as well looks a little damaged. You know, 75-year-old car. I do have the boot for it. The cover for the back, so it matches the interior. So let me get that. It's just two snaps on each side. From there, and gotta pull it around. Done. 1975 Super Beetle Convertible. Garage kept, last 20 years. No rust, fiberglass fenders. Looking for a new home. Fun car, fun little car drive around. In fact, I'll send you the link to me cruising around my nephew. We had some fun with a kind of a novelty 360 camera. I'll show you how it drives. But yeah, she's great. Here's a little bird's eye view. Things you can't see because you're not tall enough. Thanks for watching.